Definitions of terms. Now the first one we're going to be discussing is sequence. This is a collection of ordered terms such that there is a unique formula or rule to get each term. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is a sequence. We can see here, the first term of this sequence is 2. Then the next one is 4. The next one we have here is what? That's 6. And the next one here is 8. And this is 10. We can see here that we have an arrangement of even numbers. That is from the lowest value 2 and to 10. And there is also a common difference of 2 between consecutive terms. So here now, this is an example of a sequence. We can also have another example. Another example of a sequence is we can have 3, then 9, we have 27, and we have 81. This one is like a linear sequence, but this one now is what we call an exponential sequence. You know, we can write this further in form of 3 raised to the power of 1. And now 9 can be written as 3 raised to the power of 2. And 27 can be written as 3 raised to the power 3. And 81 can be written as 3 raised to the power 4. So it means that for us to get a new term, we multiply the initial term by 3. Like this, 3 raised to the power 1. If I multiply by 3, I'll get 3 raised to the power 2. Then if I multiply 3 raised to the power 2 by 3, I'll get the next term, 3 raised to the power 3. So this is an exponential sequence, while this is a linear sequence. Another important term that we're going to be considering is what we call series. What is a series? This is the sum. This is the sum of all terms in a sequence. In a sequence under consideration. Example of a series. Example of a series. We are going to relate it to the example of a sequence given here. Now we have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. So an equivalent series to this sequence can be written as 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. This is a series. Why? This is a sequence. You see that for a sequence, there is a comma in between each term. But for a series, there is a sign of addition in between each term. And in some cases, we can have subtraction in between also. depending on the kind of number you are adding. Also, for this second one, this is also a sequence. Now let's get the equivalent series to this sequence. We can have 3 raised to power 1, then plus 3 raised to power 2, then plus 3 raised to power 3, then plus 3 raised to power 4. This is also another example of a series. Thank you.